Hey everybody, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and welcome back to my video and welcome back to another video. Why did I just say that twice? I don't know. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing another wash day. Y'all seem to really like these, so I'm going to continue to put them out. But today is not going to be anything special. I'm just showing you guys one of my recent wash day routines, just from shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioning, detangling, and all of that good stuff. I am going to be using products that I know work for my hair and one new one today, so this will be interesting. But to get started, I did already do my pre-poo outside of the shower. If you guys want to see a video like that, I'll link one above and I'll put one in the description box for you all to see. But let's go ahead and get into my wash day routine, or this wash day routine. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my hair into 4 sections to start my shampooing process. And for this wash day, I'm going to be using the Maui Moisture Hair Care Lightweight Hydration and Hibiscus Shampoo. Y'all know that this is one of my favorites, so it's always going to be in my stash. The consistency is so nice. I'm not going to do like a huge review or talk about this product because I have a video on that. If you guys want to see it, I'll put it down below. But I absolutely love this conditioner. I say conditioner, oh my god, this shampoo. This shampoo is so nice. It is lightweight and I think I got a good suds. For the first time using it, I don't get a lot. I am starting to do my old wash day routine where I'm going back to doing everything in sections. So I'm going to shampoo in sections, condition in sections, and deep condition in sections. It just makes it easier, and I notice my hair loves it and my hair flourishes when I do that. So I am going to do that. But yes, I'm going to be using this shampoo all over my head, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so after rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to follow up with the sister conditioner to the Maui Moisture Hibiscus Water Shampoo. Now this was my first time trying it, and upon first application, it went into my hair really good. It was lighter than I typically use conditioners, and I can't say that, to be honest, because I don't use a lot of conditioners as conditioners, but it was nice. It smelled just like the shampoo, very lightweight and not as strong, and it went through my hair really good. Since I'm in the shower, I just went ahead and used this as like a pre-deep conditioning step. My hair was already detangled for my pre-poo, so I can't talk much about the slip and the detangling factors, but it worked pretty well. My hair did feel good when I applied it, and I could definitely feel some of the moisture being brought back into my hair, so I did like it. I don't know if I'll use it again just because I don't use conditioners like that, but this was definitely good. I could definitely see myself using this as a pre-poo treatment. After rinsing out the conditioner, this is what my hair looked like. It felt really good. It wasn't super moisturizing, but it did feel good. My hair did have some good definition in the back. At the front, my hair tends to frizz up, so I'm not even worried about that. But next, we're going to move on to our deep conditioning. And for deep conditioning, our last step, we're going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. This was a recent pickup of mine and I have been loving it ever since. I think I only have about enough for one more use, which I'm really sad about, but I'm definitely going to get me some more. I do have a dedicated video on this product, so if you want to see it, I'll link it down below, and it will be in the description box below as well. But y'all, I love this. It does exactly what it says on the tub. It says it's going to shine, define, give great definition and great shine, and it just does everything. It feels really good. It's super creamy and thick, and my hair just soaks it up and loves it. Like, I put a lot so it doesn't look like it's soaking it up, but that's just because I'm heavy-handed, so don't mind that. But you guys, I absolutely love this mask. If you want to try anything from this wash day, then I would definitely suggest to try the hair mask. It is so bomb. But like I said, I'm just gonna apply my deep conditioner. I'm applying it in sections, making sure to get my roots and everything, because this mask is the truth. Okay, the truth. Yeah. After about 10 minutes, this is what my hair is looking like. Usually I would get out the shower and deep condition with my Glow by Day deep conditioning cap, but I did not do that this go around. But my hair still looked good. The definition was still giving. This mask works wonders with heat and without. I highly suggest with heat, but without heat it did really good as well. But y'all, look at this slow-mo. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Oh my god, I really had to put this in here. Like, oh my god, I really enjoyed editing these wash day videos because, like, it's so satisfying to see everything go out of your hair, be put in your hair. Like, it just looks so good. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this too. But yeah, y'all, that brings us to the end of today's video. This is what my hair is looking like. It looks good, and I'm going to continue my wash day with my curly hair routine. If you guys want to see my current one, then make sure you're subscribed and look out for the next video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.